Alright guys, so I have another customer here. This is a Honda Civic 2011 1.2 liter of size of the engine. So Honda. Oh guys, so customer complain about the like shaking on the engine during idle, rough running. Yeah, and we had a check engine, so let's go for the checking in the fault code. Okay, this is, let's start on. Where's that? On. Okay. Okay guys, the ignition is on and the check engine is still there, so let's try to start. If the check engine is gone, still here, so check engine is not gone, so let's try to check for diagnostic. Shut it off. Okay guys, so I have a scanner code here, so let's try to check. Hook up this above your clutch, above your pedal. So hold on. Okay guys, so I already hook up. Okay, battery voltage good. It okay. OBD check. Keep reading. Yeah, still keep going on. Okay, please make sure put OBD connector is connected to the vehicle. Okay, maybe we need to push more. Okay guys, so I have a total codes 1, so hit okay, red codes, current DTC, ignition coil, the primary secondary circuit. Okay guys, so the ignition that's for your spark plug coil in here. So right now I already changed the spark plug guys, so I didn't show you, but now how do you know if the ignition coil is good or no? So I'm gonna show you. Right now you have a primary here, so please hear the sound on the engine if during I remove this plug. This is a coil, and let's see if it's working or not. See, it's shaking the engine. See, I don't know. See, it's shaking. Now put it back. Recovery time maybe minute before it's back again. So okay guys, but this ignition coil is good because it's responding. If during I remove this, it's wrapping is keep going. So yeah, and now, so that's why we stop for shaking. Just off the engine first. See, check engine is blinking, so off because it's kept shaking. Now just start again. Okay, so the shaking on that engine is gone, so it's means your ignition coil and spark plug is responding good if during we remove that socket. So let's go for another one. If Remove the socket first. See, okay. Now it's shaking. Put it back. It's still shaking, so we need to shut it off the engine and start again. Hey guys, so and now on. Okay. Yes guys, so this code P0354 ignition coil primary secondary. So it's not, this code is not say your ignition coil is not good, it's already damaged. No, just check first. Maybe your spark plug only, or sometimes your socket is disconnected or corroded. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to check that. Hey guys, so that code is not, that means your ignition coil is not packed or is not damaged, is damaged, so you need to change this. No, we need to check it first. Maybe your socket, maybe this maybe this or pin is loose, or your wire is disconnected or loose contact. So check that first, remove it and put it back if that ignition coil is responding during the engine is run. Or maybe your spark plug is no good. So in my case, my spark plug is no good, so I already changed it. Yeah, so if you change the ignition coil, expensive done, you check this and change the spark plug. It's better check it everything first before you change any kind of parts. Okay, right now guys, so I need to delete that code and let's check if the code is back. Again, this is a P0354 and we need to on first. Yeah, we need to on first and escape, erase code, hit or clear, reset emission related, yes, please turn, okay, processing, emission related information has been clear, okay, completed. So guys can delete that, this code can delete if still active, but right now it's, I already fixed. Okay, so let's try. So the check engine is gone, so let's try to start. Boom. Okay guys, so yeah, so that P0354 is not means you need to change that ignition coil. No, you must first check before you change that any kind of major parts. Okay, now it's good, because if the ignition is not good, that can delete that port and check engine still on, keep on. Okay, we hope you enjoy my video guys, and again, this is a Honda Civic 1.2 and the fault code is P0354. Yep, enjoy my video. Again, this is Machine Heller. Thank you so much. Have a good day.